congressman nagraragdaan kayo man sa mga projects nyo. Not only in that district. I think what Glenn should do is to, in the same YouTube, should show his projects instead of being angry with me. I think I would like to correct the secretary, the wrong impression that he created. The secretary covers the entire country. It is not possible that he knows all the projects in each district. And I would like to inform the secretary that these are my projects. And as certified by my district engineer, Mrs. Sarabose. So, yun pala, may projects ni Congressman Lenchong. Di mabuti, because I know Congressman is very much qualified as a congressman. Because a CPA lawyer. Diba?
Off the record na ba yan? Ano na yan? Record na ba yan?
Record na yan. Kaya the thing there is, yung ride-on gives a wrong impression. Siguro pag pinapakita-pakita without any elaboration. But actually many congressmen, and not only congressmen, but many congressmen in NATO are riding on the president's projects all over the country. And it is not also possible for me to know all the projects that were sponsored by each congressman. So I am glad that my district engineer Sarabose is here, who will shed light on this humble representation and the projects authored and sponsored by Honorable Congressman Glenn Chong. And I am more than willing to read the projects sponsored by my good friend Congressman Glenn Chong. So these are the projects. Let me take a look so that the people of Biliran will know that the congressman has done a lot for this long district of Biliran.
This is the
And
summary.
not just right on.
Sir, this is the summary of our concreting projects.
So the congressman has concreted from the year 2008 to 2009, 21.57 kilometers of gravel roads. And ongoing is 2.18 kilometers. So this is not a mean achievement, it's a big achievement on his part. To concrete 23 kilometers of gravel road requires a lot of money. That's hundreds of millions.
Yes, sir.
See? And as of this year, 2010, there is a concrete paving covering 8.93 kilometers of road. Again, this is more than 100 million project, or 200 million. So, to set the record straight, sa totoo lang, meron may mga achievements ni Congressman Chong. And what's good about Congressman Chong is he's not a member of the Committee on Silence. Maraming members na Committee on Silence na kumukuha lang ng pork barrel na hindi nagsasalita. Okay? Because Congressman Chong, I understand, is a CPA lawyer. Medyo talupangan niya ako kasi CPA na ako, hindi ako lawyer. And the fact that he is single, a very qualified bachelor, he has all the time to focus on the problems of the district without being bothered by family problems. So, I'm sorry if the word ride-on creates a wrong impression.
What particular projects are
Hindi ko, siyempre, yung mga projects ni Presidente, yung mga yun ang ride-on. My statement is even generally worded. See? I should have said many congressmen usually ride on the project of the
So we
president.
should have been sensitive as public officials.
I should not be sensitive like me because we are all public officials. If you want, Well, he was really very angry because according to him, because of the effectiveness of what I said, medyo bumaba yung rating niya. So
Yung tanong
I
ko
hope
lang,
the
sir.
negative or the decrease in the rating with my statement will rectify that. Will be rectified.
Yung tanong nga siya, because sa biliranisland.com, basically, mayroong paper trail ng lahat ng mga projects, needs, and things like that. Saka yung mga letters mo to the congressman, we're actually saying, thanks, more power to you, thanks to your efforts. And then, lumabas itong sa internet itong video. You were saying almost a contradiction to to yung sabi sa mga sa paper trail mo.
That's why, Rolly, I am rectifying this with my statement of these accomplishments. That on his own, we had also numerous significant projects and achievements. In addition, perhaps, to riding on some projects with President. So that should be the case. Ride on, and at the same time, he
Independent projects.
had on his own authored many projects of significant values and impact. Any other question? Among the pro-chonks,
Aren't you going to read this one? These are the details of the...
very voluminous na, pero if you like, this will...
But you have already said some of the...
The summary, maraming, the summary of the projects, yung sinabi ko na 31 kilometers, maraming projects yan, by segments pala ito eh. Like the concrete paving of a critical portion of circumference road, Kawayan Culaba Road, worth 6 million. Paving of the Culaba Kaibiran Road, worth 5 million. That was in 2007 yan, concrete paving of Kaibiran Kabugayan Road, 4 million. All in all, 15 million in 2007. And in 2007 too, he realigned projects from asphalt overlay, from the road user stocks in 2007. And the critical portion of Nabal Kaibiran cross country, 4,730,000 pesos. The reblocking concrete paving of the portion of Biliran National Circumference Road, 8 million, or a total of 13 million. That's for 2007. So for 2007, 28 million total yan. In 2008, the regular infra, the rehab of the Biliran Bridge along Leyte Biliran, 25 million. Concreting of Nabal, Kaibiran Cross Country, 20 million. Concreting of Masungsong Bridge, 2 million. Concreting of Culaba, Kaibiran, Culaba, Luok Section, 4 million. Concreting of the Kaibiran, Kabugayan, Uson, Gamay, 4 million. And completing of Kabugayan, Balakid, Lawan, 5 million.
Kumusta man yung mga projects, sir? Bakit? Igalay ito ako. Palpakin.
So all in all, 83 million.
It's already
It's,
completed,
it's
except for the 8 kilometers
Passable.
for the current year, which is ongoing.
So considering, sir, na apektado ito ni political campaign niya, balik ka planong bumisita, hindi lang para ikaw na.
Hindi, dito nga eh. Sa YouTube lang naman, di pa kita rin sa YouTube.
But I am inviting the
YouTube,
Honorable
I guess,
Secretary to visit Biliran para makita niya kung ano na talagang progress.
So, pupunta na rin ako dyan, unannounced, no? Kaya
At
nakita ko
saka,
ang project. So,
matulungan pa niya tayo na madagdagan yung mga projects.
sure,
na-
I will go there. Wala tuloy there rin ako because I have only 60 days left in office. There is an election ban. Oo.
Yan, mag-prepare niya ito.
Then, ako ang
Is he
60
afraid?
days na lang. 2008, additional project, the construction of the Canseco Kabibihan section, 5 million. And then we have the 2008 Kabugayan Biliran,